So then, Deputy President William Ruto has dismissed claims that top government officials could influence the outcome of the August 9th polls. Ruto, who led his team to Garissa County for his economic forum engagement, told residents that his rival and Azimio presidential presidential candidate will not cater for their interest if elected to office in the polls. And as our senior political affairs reporter Jeff Kirui reports, Ruto reminded locals that Raila and his allies in parliament backed the revenue sharing formula that would disenfranchise marginalized communities.
After getting the green light to vie in the August polls, Deputy President William Ruto took his campaigns to northern Kenya. The DP now seeking the support of the pastoral communities in the north. At the economic forum held in Garissa, Ruto revisited the debate on the sharing of revenue formula that caused a stalemate in the Senate in 2020 over concerns that frontier counties were destined to have their revenue slashed. The formula had incidentally been backed by Raila allies in parliament.
Siasa ni interest. Kama mtu hana interest yako na unampigia siasa na unampigia kura, wewe unajidhulumu. Ukipigia mtu kura mwenye hana interest yako, in simple terms, inaitwa ujinga. Ni mnanielewa? Nataka nikuulize wewe mtu ya Garissa. Kama mtu amesema anataka pesa ya serikali inayokuja Garissa County ipunguzwe, na wewe unaenda kupigia yeye kura ndio apunguze pesa yenye inakuja Garissa County, kichwa yako inafanya kazi mzuri?
Wakati wa mjadiliano wa revenue formula ambayo ililetwa kwa Senate, His Excellency county yake ilikuwa inapata pesa, lakini alikuja na formula ambayo inasema win-win formula.
The revenue sharing formula had given more priority to population as opposed to landmass, with leaders arguing that the plan would have further marginalized pastoralist communities.
The model of the economy we have used has created the largest inequality in Kenya, and that is what we must sort out. It is not just sorting out poverty, it is sorting out inequality that is going to make this country move forward, so that opportunities are available for the majority of Kenyans. And that is what we intend to do in the bottom-up economic model.
Ruto's economic forum would culminate in a series of political rallies in Balambala and Modagashe to popularize his bottom-up economic approach. The DP also dismissed claims that top government official could influence the outcome of the August polls.
Mimi ndio naibu wa rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Hakuna deep state mimi sijui. Hakuna system mimi sijui. Nyinyi mkinipima hivi, mnaniona mimi ni mtu ambaye anaonekana anaweza kuibiwa kura? Nyinyi mkiniona ati kuna mtu anaweza kuiba kura yangu? Si hiyo ni ndoto ya mchana.
Ruto's quest to the northern region continues on Tuesday as he is set to visit Wajir and Mandera counties to sign a charter on the priority areas for the region.
Mimi nataka niseme Balambala asante sana. Asante sana.
Jeff Kirui, KTN News.
To Marsabit, where more than 200 guns and more than 3,000 ammunition have been recovered.